sun-starved Brits will finally see an end to the bitingly cold weather as temperatures are set to soar into the double digits, but flood warnings remain in place with a string of alerts in force across many parts. Met Office forecasters said that milder weather will begin from Monday, with the mercury rising to highs of up to 13°C in England and Wales. By the weekend, that will rise further to spring-like warmth of 17°C. It comes after the beast from the east too battered the country and left Brits shivering in a long and bitingly cold. The extreme weather saw the UK record its coldest temperature for 65 years at Braemar in Aberdeenshire on Wednesday night, when the mercury dropped down to -23. Forecasters are now optimistic about the change in the weather and the rising temperature. Fawkes from BBC Weather said, "We're starting to draw up more of a southerly flow of wind, and that will start to drag up some of the warmer air from North Africa and Spain, which will push across westerly Europe and in across parts of the United Kingdom." Saturday and Sunday, particularly Sunday, parts of eastern England will see temperatures as high as 17°C, way above average for the time of year, and that warmth will last into. On today's weather, Met Office forecaster Luke Miall said, "It does start wet across southeast England with some outbreaks of rain, but from mid to late morning they should clear, and then for many we are looking at dry interludes with some sunny spells. There may be 1 or 2 showers in Scotland." A yellow weather warning for wind ended at midnight, and there are no fresh warnings in place for the rest of the week, in stark contrast to recent weeks. Mr. Miall said gusts of 81 miles per hour had been recorded on the island of South Uist in the Outer Hebrides. He added that freezing rain had also been reported in eastern Scotland and northeast England, with some tree branches and cars given an ice. Mr. Miall said the weather will be quite wet and windy for most of the week. He said, "We will be hovering between 7°C to 12°C, I suspect, through Tuesday, Wednesday." Most of the snow will start melting early in the week, with the exception being Scotland because they have had so much of it. The chilly conditions froze Trafalgar Square's fountains and brought large amounts of snowfall to regions across the country. In Derbyshire's high peak area, the impressive Kinder downfall also froze, turning the 98-feet waterfall into a slippery. There are, however, warnings still in place for flooding. 6 flood warnings, meaning immediate action is required, are in force for areas in the east and northeast of England, as well as 66 less severe flood alerts. Today, rain across the southeast will clear by late morning. Low cloud and fog elsewhere also slowly clearing by midday, then all parts seeing sunny intervals, but with showers in the west, heavy in the northwest, much milder than recently. Breezy. Tonight, further cloud and rain moving northeast across all, some heavy rain expected over hills of the west. Becoming windy with gales developing in the north, mild and frost-free. Tuesday, rain will be slow to clear the southeast. Elsewhere sunshine and showers are expected, these frequent and heavy in the west, windy with gales in the northwest. Mild. Outlook for Wednesday to Friday, remaining unsettled with bands of rain and showers moving on a brisk southwesterly wind, with brief settled coastal gales in the south and northwest at times.